Welcome to this amazing Your Second Salary YouTube channel. Let me tell you, I am just starting this channel for you. In this channel, we are going to discuss how you can make multiple sources of income. And you must be thinking, am I really qualified for this? So let me tell you my story and let me tell you my background. How did I become a financial freedom coach? And I'm helping people to make passive income with the help of various sources of income. So my journey started in 2017. It was 2017 when I lost my job, and during that time I came to know I have some skill set where I can help people to make money. I started helping people to make money from 2017. From 2017, 18, 19 and 20. For 4 years I was helping people to make money with the help of training and coaching, consulting, counseling and interview and resume building. During that time I realized there are a lot of people that need more and more support, but they don't have the clarity. I set up my NGO in 2020 during the COVID time, and after setting up the NGO I started professionally helping people. So my journey started with an NGO, and my NGO is still existing, Sahyog Charitable Foundation. Today, from that NGO, we are helping orphanage kids to take care of their food and education. Year 21, when I was working with my mentor Mr. Siddharth Rasekar, I launched myself as a coach, and from that day till today, I have helped more than 6,000 people to take care about their finances, to make money from various sources of income. And by God's grace, I am someone who have written a book called Kalpvriksh. Kalpvriksh is a book where you can make multiple sources of income. I have given my tested and proven strategy how did I make 30 sources of income. In this YouTube channel, I am going to give you a specific point shooter tips, step-by-step tips where you will be able to make another new source of income. I have a concern. Let's say you land up on this channel. On this channel you started seeing some videos where yes, it is getting result, you are getting result, you are able to make money. I am requesting you, please do not jump to new source of income until you will not get the result in the first source of income. I have people in my community, they are making 10 sources of income, more than 10 sources of income actually. Recently people have created Udemy courses and they started making money. Now, from September 21 till today, we are on a mission to help at least 1 million working professionals to make another side hustle parallel source of income with the help of training and coaching, affiliate marketing, network marketing, and you will be able to make money with the help of book writing. There are many things, YouTube, blog, podcast, and the good part is you will be getting everything crisp, point shooter, step by step in this channel. So why I restarted this journey? Because in 2017 when I lost my job, I slept on the road, and during that time I realized yes, I have lot of people, they are also struggling. So I started helping people with the help of this. Now the purpose of this channel is very simple, that it will help you to make at least one new source of income. There will be many sources of income. There will be many steps and tips will be there, but you need to choose which one is resonating with you. Thank you so much for landing up with this YouTube channel. We have many things planned, and go ahead, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and make sure to hit the bell button so that you will be getting the notification for sure. All the best, keep learning, keep signing.